Before replacing, you need to remove the plug on the control box. Unplug the plugs on the damaged control box one by one. Remove the small screws that secure the housing. Then you can remove the casing. Unplug the black wire. Close the housing, remove the fixing screws of the control box, and then you can take out the damaged control box. Replace the new control box and open the shell. Connect the black wire. Mounting the enclosure. Install the enclosure fixing screws. Plug the plugs back in the original order. Control box replacement completed. When replacing a power module, first confirm its output voltage. Just connect according to the original wiring sequence. There are also markings on the wire number tube. After replacing the damaged parts, start the machine. Click on Settings. Enter password. Adjust the power to the parameters corresponding to the laser. Adjust other parameters until they are consistent with the screen. Click Save after adjustment. Adjust parameters to conduct light output test. Clip on the safety clip. Click the monitor button. Conduct line test. Press the laser button, and the laser trigger signal will light up. When the welding head contacts the workpiece, the grounding clip signal will light up. When both light up at the same time, light will appear for welding.